In this video is addressed to my twin flame Shia. Hi Shia. In this video is addressed to my twin flame Shia. Hi Shia. For those just watching, I thank you for watching. I want to let you know, Shia, I got an extension cord, and you can see it in the background. And also, what reminded me of it is see the soda machine. See on the ground, there's the cord's pulled out with the extension cord. So I'm getting signs, and that wasn't just placed there. So I got a sign from the hand herb shop with a sticker on the bottom, and then that. So it prompted me to go get the extension cord for the refrigerator. I just got some frozen peas, frozen spinach, some butter, and I had some imitation crab sticks in the car, like those snack imitation crab sticks. This, I put it on the coldest setting. It's plugged into, I didn't buy a ton of groceries, and it's plugged into that wall. I'm going to make it look better. And I just got the waters from my trunk. I'll make it look better, but I just plugged it in. I think the temperature increased because I had to unplug the fridge, and because it's like very, very hot in here. It's 80. I don't know why it says 81 degrees. I don't think it's 81 degrees in here. I think it's more than 81 degrees. However, I could be wrong. 81 degrees is pretty hot temperature. Anything, you can get a heat stroke 82 and above. So I have to be very careful and have the fans blowing on. And when I get the urge to walk indoors, I have to wait until it cools off, because I can't be walking in the hot weather in our apartment, Shia. So if you didn't see the extension cord on the ground, I'll show it to you. See, this is the soda machine. See how the cord's pulled out? And see how that little cord can power that soda machine? So there's no way that this, and I did my research. To find that 14 gauge should be enough to. I put it on the coldest setting because it was on number 3 because there was just waters in the fridge. But I just put it on the coldest setting. I'm going to keep it on the coldest setting. And I looked up on a video, and it just needs to be 3-prong. This is what I got. It said it's supposed to be 14 gauge because the person in the video had, well, I'll show you the video I watched, which specifically said 14 gauge. They put it in their basement, or in their garage. This was the video that I watched. It said 14 gauge, gauge, however you say it. And if this doesn't work, I'll return it. I got it at Walmart for $30. 14 gauge didn't come in heavy duty, so it doesn't really tell you. It does tell you how many amps. Choose the right cord. So it says 13 amps, and this is supposed to be Well, it doesn't tell you how many amps. Oh, it says 15 amps. This is the one. supposed to be 15 to 20 amps, 125 volts. This is the one. This should work. So I'll tell you tomorrow if the fridge temperature stays correct. Luckily, butter can't really spoil because it's butter, and the frozen I'll show you. I got some frozen peas and frozen spinach. Because canned vegetables just don't taste. I really actually, the more I eat canned vegetables, the more I'm starting to dislike canned vegetables. And then I got this butter for my baked potatoes. Yeah, it's good. The temperature is decreasing. I'll fix that later. So, look at about about 41 degrees. And let me see what the temperature. The temperature, that's the temperature of fridge. Below 40, so it's like 1 degrees too high, so it'll go down. The best temperature is 40 degrees, so it's 40 degrees or below is the best temperature, so it's just one above, and that was on, it's been on this level 3 because I've only had waters. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 is the coldest, and I had it on 3, so now that I put it on the coldest, it's definitely going to go down to 40. But I think so this is going to break spells because having that fear of just because I put those French rolls in the freezer because I was doing the cleanse and I didn't want those rolls to go bad in the pantry. There was like this whole little like power trip, like, yeah, even those French rolls are gonna get moldy and stale and bad. And even with the seltzers, with the natural essence, that's gonna go rancid, blah blah blah. So there's been a definite power trip, and having this extension cord is going to solve a lot of problems. There's a serious issue with me not using a fridge and freezer for 5 months. I can't afford an extension cord is going to be better to look at than having a refrigerator there, because I still have the ability to walk with this extension cord, and with that fridge there, it's going to be very impossible to walk. So I'm very happy about this cord. I'm happy that I'm able to eat some fresh vegetables tonight or tomorrow because it's kind of late and I'm still full. I had some noodles with soy sauce, apple cider vinegar and water, applesauce, coffee, a granola bar, V8. And I was supposed to review with you some of the things that I'm doing for my liver. So I have to do the body and brain yoga for the liver meridian. I still have $40 cash, so in a few days it's possible I could go out and get some fresh food if my fridge is working well. it's fine to plug a fridge in to extension cord in the fridge. Maintenance wouldn't have recommended it and given me an extension cord, which I gave back. Now I have this one, and it's gonna work. I originally plugged it into the bathroom, but then I realized there was a outlet right next to the door where I showed you, so which is good because I have a nightlight in the bathroom that I like to keep on. So so tomorrow I'll have some vegetable broth, applesauce, apricots in hot water, apple cider vinegar with honey. I was gonna have the tomato soup, but I realized it has 2.5 servings in the condensed soup, and it's like 40% salt for one serving. So some of these, I've been just eating way too much sodium, and it's not like fresh sea salt. It's like just like the kind of sodium that is not good. So I'm gonna have the baked potatoes with my butter. I'm looking if you have canned tomatoes though, or tomatoes, stewed tomatoes is very good for the liver, because I saw another recipe. Stewed tomatoes is very cleansing for the liver. So I'm going to continue eating these types of cleansing foods, and taking vitamins. I just took out the Hannah's herbs that I haven't been taking, but I still have a lot left of the cinnamon, the sinus, or the one for the sinuses, the cinnamon for the heart health care one, and circular flow are the ones that I have left. And then in 2 weeks I'll get some herbs from Hannah's herb shop. Do you have any photographs to show you? So I'm not going to make this a long video, Shy. I just wanted to tell you. I'm going to go recite the Quran now, because I got tortured a lot today, actually. Remember I told you I didn't want to jinx myself? Well, the moment I say something, I get extremely tortured and attacked. So this is going to break spell, Shia, and this is going to... I've been in a lot of pain eating pantry food. It's actually really gross to just eat pantry food and not even have like anything chilled or cold besides water and seltzer. So it's going to be a lot better. And could I have waited 2 weeks for this extension cord? It's not like there's always an excuse. I should have gotten the extension cord 5 months ago. Why didn't? There's been possession involved. Did I have a eating disorder? Was I afraid of like all refrigerated food no matter what? Yes, but now I'm starting to throw out pantry food, so it like doesn't even make much of a difference. I'm just it's just been enough time, and I've realized that I'm getting really, really like sick. Not sick, but like I'm trying to recover, and I noticed when it took me 4 hours to clean, and then with the fasting, I couldn't move my body. I had to lay down flat like the whole day. And then this apple juice cleanse, I couldn't move my body the whole day. I was sitting in the chair in one position the whole day. Besides getting diarrhea and running to the bathroom, not every 10 minutes, it was like every 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure I went to the bathroom like 20 times. I used like a whole roll of toilet paper in like 2 hours. Almost a whole roll of toilet paper. So, let me check the fridge. So it's still at 41 degrees, but in about a half an hour that will change. I'm sure. It takes about a half an hour because I went the day I went grocery shopping. I'm not going to explain it. I'm sure it takes about a half an hour because when I opened up the door to put in all the waters, and it took about 2 minutes, the temp increased, and then it took about half an hour to decrease. I just remember fridges being I can't believe I'm having this issue with the fridge. I can't believe it happened for so long. But I told you, my hands are scalded, and how could I not tell that I was scalding my hands from the bathtub, which also is another problem with all the bath taking, going into the bathtub and feeling like I'm passing out a lot this past year and a half. Has the water been too hot? So I've been definitely not making the water as hot. Also because it's summertime, I definitely haven't been making it as hot, and I have to get a bath temperature. So, is there any other notes I need to talk to you about? I noticed the views on Facebook. It makes me happy, Shia. It could be my views though, because I watch my video on Facebook and I could be accidentally like clicking on it. In regards to you having a long decline because of the mining you were doing the mines with the coals. I don't know about you having a long decline. That could be wrong. I read that I read that somewhere. I didn't read it in whatever books. I'm not sure if that's accurate. I don't think either of us had a long decline. We both died, and I think it was it was about a half a year difference. You died first and I died. So, and you agree that the extension cord is probably a better idea than buying a fridge. So that's all I wrote for the note, Shine. I really want to show you that I got the extension cord. I really hope it works. I think it's going to work. So I'm going to go recite the Quran. I've been kind of tired with reciting the Quran, but the moment I start reciting the Quran, it gets easier. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. I love you, Shia. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much, Shia, for watching.